Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're looking at a 2020 Chevrolet Trail Boss. Moving on to the interior with power door locks, automatic transmission, cruise control, air conditioning, satellite radio, and Bluetooth hands-free. This Trail Boss has everything you need. This Chevy Trail Boss comes with a 5.3 liter paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and is on a set of Wranglers, 18-inch Wranglers. A spacious rear passenger compartment with the Chevy molded mats. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Chevrolet. Should you have any questions about our 2021 1500 Trail Boss, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.